To enter system coding, ensure the boiler control is powered on. At the home screen, press the Mode button, then the up arrow until the word Confi flashes in the lower right-hand corner of the display. Next, press OK. P0 will be displayed on the boiler control. Press the up arrow till you reach P12 and press OK. You have now entered system coding. Once in coding, use the up arrow to access address 12. Press the OK button and change the value from a 0 to a 1. Save the change with OK. Comfort function is now active on your boiler.